Hi, my name is Firaz from 7D of Junior High School in YPK. In this vlog, I will make some omelette. The ingredient of this food is uh, egg, one egg, noodle, one noodle, and salt. And we will need spoon for mix the egg, a spoon for cooking, spatula, and plate for serve the food. Step by step for making the omelette is are prepare the ingredient, and the first time is heat the water for noodle. Enter the noodle in water. And then wait until 3 minutes for the noodle are really cooked. And then mix the egg with noodles in pan. And cook the omelette in the pan. Last stage is put the omelette in plate and design as you wish. And then let's we test the omelette. The taste is very delicious. You must try it at home.